Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about 5 venomous sea snakes you should be aware of. Number 5. Beaked sea snake. Beaked sea snake, also known as hook-nosed sea snake, is a highly venomous species of sea snake common throughout the tropical Indo-Pacific. This species is implicated in more than 50% of all bites caused by sea snakes. The snake is usually uniformly dark gray above, sides and lower parts whitish. It is found in the Arabian Sea and Persian Gulf, off Oman, south of the Seychelles and Madagascar, the seas off South Asia that is Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, and finally Southeast Asia that is Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. Number 4. Black-banded sea kite. The black-banded sea kite, also known commonly as the Chinese sea snake, is a species of venomous snake. Banded sea kite has bluish-gray body covered with black bands that stretch from the neck to the tip of the tail. Belly is yellow or creamy colored. Entire body is covered with smooth scales. Generally, the species is found in Fiji, southern Japan and Singapore. Its venom is 10 times stronger than that of a cobra, making it extremely dangerous. The snake does not attack humans unless it feels threatened or provoked. Banded sea kite produces venom which is 10 times stronger than the venom of a rattlesnake and cobra. Despite ability to kill human with a single bite, banded sea kite rarely attacks humans. Banded sea kite leaves water once every 10 to 14 days. It can be found on the sandy beaches, in the caves and coastal areas covered with trees. Banded sea kite is good climber thanks to large scales on the belly. Number 3. Parent sea snake. Parent sea snake, commonly known as the horned sea snake and the spiny-headed sea snake, is a fully aquatic and highly venomous snake. It is the only sea snake with spines on the head. The parent sea snake's body is usually cream, gray or brown above, with numerous dark cross bands that taper on the sides. Although it is widespread around Australia and Southeast Asia, the horned sea snake appears to have separate distributions in the northern and southern hemispheres. In the southern hemisphere, it occurs along the northern coast of Australia, from Barrow Island in Western Australia to Moreton Bay in Queensland, as well as around southern Papua New Guinea, southern Indonesia, New Caledonia and the Loyalty Islands. In the northern hemisphere, the horned sea snake is found from Taiwan south to Thailand, peninsular Malaysia and Singapore. Number 2. Yellow-bellied sea snake. The yellow-bellied sea snake is a venomous species of snake found in tropical oceanic waters around the world except for the Atlantic Ocean. The yellow-bellied sea snake, as the name implies, has a distinctive bicolor pattern with a yellow underbelly and brown back, making it easily distinguishable from other sea snake species. Yellow-bellied sea snakes live in the open ocean. On land, they move poorly. The ability to swim backward is an unusual and distinguishing characteristic of this species. And number 1 is the reef shallow sea snake. The reef shallow sea snake, also known as the Dubois sea snake. It is the most venomous sea snake. As its name suggests, the reef shallow sea snake is primarily found in shallow water habitats adjacent to coral reefs. In terms of color and pattern, the reef shallow sea snake is extremely variable depending on the geographic location. Its upper side ranges from whitish beige or salmon to brown or purplish brown, and is patterned with dark or cream bands or yellowish blotches. The reef shallow sea snake is a widespread species and its geographic range includes Papua New Guinea, New Caledonia and the northern, eastern and western coastal areas of Australia, that is the Coral Sea, Arafura Sea, Timor Sea and Indian Ocean. The reef shallow sea snake is an entirely aquatic species, never venturing onto land. Although the reef shallow sea snake's venom is highly toxic, this species is not thought to pose much of a threat to humans, as it is a relatively small snake and does not yield much venom. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe link below for more interesting facts.